Well guys, I'm back on my patio, fixing to set up the old Z-Trap Skunk-N-More for the 7th time. I've caught 4 skunks and 2 possums, and we're going to see what we can catch tonight. But I thought before I'd get started here, I'm going to show you, here's what I've baited with. They've been eating my cat food. You've been watching my videos, you already know that. I'm going to try something a little different tonight. I've been using my game cameras, and I'm going to still use a couple, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. But I'm going to use my little Wise cam. It's a little indoor security cam. Now, if you're going to use this when it's raining, don't do it. You got to plug it in. I've got a plug in here on my patio. But like I say, it's going to be a pretty night. It ain't going to rain. It's up under the roof, so it's not going to get wet. So I've got it on a tripod here, looking in at the Z-Trap. Now I've also got an old Moultrie 555i looking in the front, and then I've got a Browning Special Ops looking in the back. So I'm going to try to get 3 different angles tonight. So hey, let's come back in the morning and see if we caught anything. Well guys, if you've been watching my videos, you know this is polecat number 5 along with 2 possums in this Z-Trap 8-inch Skunk-N-More. This baby just don't miss. I've said it 7 times. I've caught 7 critters here on my back patio. So hey, if you've been watching, you know I got a little lake outside of town. Hey, let's go let him loose. He can be with the rest of his family. Hey guys, tie these things down so they don't just slide all over the back you pick up and get them all stirred up. Let's go. Well, I'm back out at my little lake. Thought I'd just kind of scan here and show you what I'm doing. Hard to believe I've been out here 7 times now. Well, you ready to go be with your family? Well, I found if I prop something up under the end, kind of put it at an angle, they tend to go out quicker. Let me grab my little ladder. Yeah, if you hadn't been watching, one thing I really like about this trap is you're able to just pop this back door off so they can ease out. Well, let's get the door off and get out of the way and see if we can get another one released without getting sprayed. All right, you're free, guy. Go on. Don't make me wait 15 minutes like the last one. Yeah, I believe I can see him wiggling around there. Uh-oh, I can see him. I see it. Yep, there he goes. And he's off. Another skunk joined his family. That's 5 out here. Well, that's 5 skunks I've safely released back to the wild out of this 8-inch Z-Trap Skunk-N-More. Not even a hint of getting sprayed, man. They just go out, they can't raise their tail, they can't spray. If you're thinking about buying a trap, you know, to catch skunks, possums, you know, maybe feral cats, any other type of small animal, this dude just don't miss. Hey, check out all my other videos. I've got several with this trap. So, hey, if this helped you out or entertained you, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Till next time, I'll catch you later.